Hello, I'm Rick and I'm the creator of Weerdy. Weerdy.com is a brand new social media experience that places the spotlight on you. Anything that you have to say, anything that you're feeling at the moment will be the only thing to be displayed on our website for 15 seconds. Talk about 15 seconds of fame. In this video, my assistant will show you just how easy it is to set up an account, and once she's done, here's what I'd like you to do. Create your very own account, create your first word, and click post. That's simple.
Simple indeed. As Rick pointed out, Weerdy is a fun new way to socialize. To start, head to weerdy.com from any computer or mobile device. To get in on the action, you must first sign up by clicking on the Sign Up tab in the upper left corner. Once clicked, Weerdy will prompt you to fill in the 4 information boxes. Enter a unique username and password. Both usernames and passwords are case sensitive, so it is important to remember exactly how you entered them. When you're done entering your credentials, click the yellow sign up button and await the green notification in the upper right corner. After the notification populates, click login in the upper right corner and enter your login credentials exactly as you registered them. If you entered your info correctly, you will see a message telling you that you logged in successfully. Wow, great job! When you're ready to post your first message, click Create a Word in the upper left corner. Now, click the red Create a Word button, which will take you to your personal word box. Here, you may create messages containing as many as 15 words. Once you have crafted the perfect message, it's time to select the category that best fits your post. Click the green Create button and watch as your message becomes visible on Weerdy for 15 seconds. Wow, we love you too! Join Weerdy today and get the attention you deserve.